In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can unlock the Cosmic Being fighting style here in Cellular Piece on Roblox. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and it lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you had any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. First things first, you need access to C2. So obviously make sure that you are a high enough level. You are Ascension level 5 and you've collected all the required fragments and map pieces to unlock the second C. But once you're in C2, go ahead and make your way over to Punch Island and head into the little city area, just like so. Once you're in the city area, you need to climb on top of the pink building close to the spawn right here. It's like the smaller pink one. This is the Cosmic Being NPC. Go ahead and interact with them just like so. And this is going to show you all the required materials you need. Now the boss is directly in the middle of the city and it has a ton of HP. So you're going to need a pretty strong build in order to do this. Just keep in mind this boss only does spawn every 30 minutes. So it's not going to be here every single time. You're going to need items like the Cosmic Essence, the Star Marks, the Galaxy Shards, and the Cosmic Being Title. What I'd recommend doing is server hopping, not in private servers. That'll increase the time it takes for them to come in. But that really is it. As soon as you collect everything, you just have to go back to the NPC back on top of that building and you'll unlock it. If you guys had any questions, ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.